Hey everybody, it's me Sissy. Today I have two quick DIYs for you, and they're both garden related, plant related. I'm going to show you how I do my three-tiered planter and how I'm going to take a piece of garden art, a wire Winnie dog, and make it into a planter. So stay tuned. Today I'm going to show you, oh, isn't this cute? It's a Winnie dog. Oh, my dear friend, I went to the flower show with, gave me this for my birthday, and I love it as it is, and I would just set it on my porch, but I think that I can make this into a planter. So that's what I'm going to try to do, and I'm going to take you along for the ride. So here we go. What we're going to use is this coconut mat lining for a hanging basket from the Dollar Tree. So let's dive right in. I'm going to adjust the camera. Okay, so, and I got these cute little kind of tricolor sedum. They like the full sun, and they don't need a whole lot of water because they're kind of like a succulent, and they're kind of trailing, so we're going to plant those in our Winnie dog somehow. First thing we're going to do is we're going to cut this. I think I'm going to cut it in half. Which, yep, that should work. And then of course we're just going to feed this into our little skinny Winnie dog, and then we will trim it off as necessary. So I think I'm going to fold this part up right here, kind of hold the soil in right there. Give it a little trim. Of course, when the little plants start trailing, they'll trail over it and you won't be able to see it. And I'm going to do that on this end down here. Same thing. And just trim it off a little bit. Oh yeah, that leaves us plenty of room in there for soil and our succulents. So, and these are, as I said, it was a tricolor sedum. These were $2.88 at Lowe's. It is, let's see, it spreads, so it's going to hang down, so that'll be great. It needs to be kept moist, but I kind of water my plants every morning or every afternoon, so this shouldn't have any problem staying moist. So I'm just going to take my plant ball right here and kind of spread it out a little bit. And don't worry, you're not hurting your plants when you do this. I'm going to just take it and shove a little piece in it right here at the front. And let's get a little soil. And this is Miracle Grow moisture control. It has the little beads in it. You can see the little white beads. When they get wet, they kind of expand and hold the water. So I'll shake some dirt out of it. Stick that down in there. Well, I don't want to get that one. Get this one right there. There we go. And then stick that in there. Got another one. And if your matting comes out, you know, you can just kind of work it back in your thing. And see, that was quick and easy. We've got it in there. We'll give it a good drink of water. And when that starts growing and spreading down it, we'll have us a little Sedum Winnie dog. He is just too cute. So I'm going to set him on my porch, and then I'll let you see how he looks. Here is my little Winnie dog planter. He is so cute. I can't believe how cute he is. The porch is all wet, I'm sorry. And I'm in the process of repainting it. But I think it turned out adorable. I can't wait for it to start growing and filling out. But anyway, how I planted this into a three-tier planter. So the first thing we're going to do is fill up our bottom pot halfway with soil. What?
If you get to something and you want somebody to help you, I'll
okay. Yeah, we're going to plant some flowers. You got your seeds. We got at Dollar Tree to plant, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, when we get it about halfway full, there's a lot of different ways you can do this. A lot of people use PVC pipe. They put another pot in it. I'm just going to use this tall Coke can that I got when I was at the Dollar Tree, and all I'm going to do is put it down to the bottom, put it in the center, and then get enough soil around it, and then that'll be, it's just high enough that it's going to support our next pot and keep it from crushing down. So this pot we're going to be planting Coleus and marigolds. And these are just little bedding plants that I got at Lowe's. So.
You got a big pot over here.
Yeah, so we're just going to space those around. I think I'm going to put three down here, and then 3 marigolds. I'm going to put a little bit more soil in there so they'll be a little higher up.
Yeah.
So we're going to put our coleus in, and you're going to put them close to the edge because the other pot is going to be sitting right on top. So,
and then this is coleus.
Yes, ma'am, it's a coleus. Now we're going to put our marigolds in. And when you get them out of the little thing, if they look root bound, you can squish them, kind of break the roots up a little bit. You don't have to baby them. You're not going to hurt them. So.
That's a pretty marigold.
Yeah. And when you put your soil in here, you want it to just come to the top of the can. You want to leave enough room so when you water it, that the water goes down and doesn't just run off.
Yeah.
So we've got those in there. Then we're going to check our pot is going to fit right in there like that. So let's finish putting our soil in, then we'll do our next level.
You've got purples. Really that thing they call it.
It's a coleus, Mama. Coleus and marigolds. Okay, we'll put our next pot in and go to our next level. Okay, so our next tier for our spacer, we're just going to use a regular 12-ounce can. We're going to put that in. And I like to put mine upside down so they don't fill up with water and get stagnant.
Yeah. That's good. That's a good thing to do.
Okay, and we're going to do the same thing as the last level. We're going to do 3 coleus and 3 marigolds.
Yep.
And see, this is kind of root bound, so we're just going to take it and kind of break up the roots a little bit so they'll start growing.
Yeah, that probably is good. Yeah, I see that some. I don't know what kind of flower that is that's climbing up in the yard right there.
That's a gladiolum.
Gladiolum. Yeah, it's going to be pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got those in there. And this would look pretty too with if you put some draping flowers like trailing petunias, the vining vincas,
Yeah.
anything like that. You could do with all greenery. You don't necessarily have to be flowers, but I just love flowers, so we're doing flowers.
It's a coleus.
Yes, ma'am, it's a coleus. That's what we planted.
Well, it is out there.
Okay, and then you're gonna finish putting the soil in there, and then we'll put our other pot in. Our other pot, we're just gonna stick it right in the center,
That is really
and then we're gonna plant. We'll make sure you got everything level. Okay, then I'm gonna put 1 coleus and 1 marigold
okay.
in the top. Okay, now this down here on the bottom, I know it looks a little skimpy. I probably could have planted some more coleus and marigolds down there, but they are going to fill out and expand, and I didn't really want to overcrowd it. The second one might be a little bit overcrowded, but we're going to go with it.
Yeah, it'll spread out.
Yeah.
Thanks.
So I think I'm going to put 1 coleus, because coleus is, you know, that one looks kind of bad. Let's take that one out and put a different one. Okay, let's put this one. This looks like a good
Yeah,
one.
that's a coleus.
Yes, ma'am, it's a coleus. We're going to put that one in the middle, and then I think we're going to put a couple of marigolds.
You know how I know that it was a coleus?
How did you know that was a coleus?
Because my mama grew
Grew those?
yeah.
Grandma grew
She
those?
did that
Okay.
when she was young. She loved to do it.
Yeah.
She's long gone now.
Yeah, I think I'm going to squeeze 1 more coleus in here.
Yeah, I think you can too.
Yeah.
Okay,
Here's one we planted earlier, and it has petunias, cellulose, I can't remember, and zinnias in it. And then here's the one we just did with the coleus and the marigolds in it. And once they fill out, they're going to be gorgeous. It'll be spilling over, and probably got too much
That's
in
it,
that
y'all. That's my
pot, but
DIYs for today. Get out there, plant something in the garden, grow something, take something unusual and turn it into a planter. Because if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. Y'all have a great day. Bye.